Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how can you fix we limit how often you can post on Facebook app. You are a user who is constantly posting on Facebook and per day you post about 12 or 13 posts. That should be the reason why you're having such issue. If you see such message saying will limit how often you can post on Facebook, it usually means your account has been temporarily restricted from posting frequently, like due to suspected spammy behavior. Now if you go to the browser and how many posts on Facebook per day, it shows according to most social media expert the ideal number of Facebook posts per day is 1 or 2. But if you're constantly posting every information and every little detail about you on Facebook, it should be the reason why you're having such issue. Now the only way to fix it is to wait a while and post less frequently. Now ensure your content adhere to a Facebook community standard and avoid posting excessively within a short time frame as well. So basically you have to wait for a couple of hours or maybe a day or two in order to fix or in order to lift up your temporary block, and that should be a helpful way to fix it. So however, alternatively you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. So for that you want to long press onto the app and go to app info section, and then you want to go ahead and click on storage and cache and click on clear cache as well as storage, and this is going to fix it. And for a couple of weeks you're still unable to get back or recover your account, or you're still seeing this sort of message, then it's likely you should create a new account and you should limit your activity as well. So this should be able to fix the issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.